In this video, we'll show you how to create a new passenger assistant within the admin program. This will allow you to add the PA to jobs and create weekly statements for earnings. First, double-click to open the admin program, then click into the Assistants tab. To create the assistant, right-click anywhere within the white-lined area and select New Assistant. Now add an ID for your PA. In this example, we are going to call them PA001. You can choose any name here, but bear in mind it must be unique and not one you've used before. The membership field should be marked as active, and you'll need to add a date into the Date Joined field. Fill in the assistant's full name, then use the search icon to add their home address. Adding a home address here would allow you to auto-fill in the PA's address as the first and last drop-off when you add the assistant to a job. Now fill in the date of birth, phone number, and choose a statement interval. If the assistant only works certain days of the week, you can open the roster and set those days to active. Once you've filled in details, click into the Additional tab. Here, you can fill in information on the assistant's next of kin and any disabilities. These fields are not mandatory and can be left blank if not needed. In the Banking tab, you will have the option to store the PA's banking information. Now click into the Documentation tab. To add a new document, select New and select the document you want to add. Depending on the one selected, you may need to add a document value. The asterisk next to the fields lets you know that the field is mandatory and something needs to be entered. Now select a start date if needed, then add the expiry date. If you need to keep a copy of the document, select Upload, find the document on your C drive, and select Add. Once uploaded, you can view the document and select Approved if the upload looks good. Now press OK to add the document into the PA's profile. If adding more documents, just select New and keep adding. The Charges tab will only be needed if you give your assistants a set weekly wage or they're paid hourly. If you pay them a set fee per journey, it is not done within the assistant profile. In the Styles tab, you'll need to select your billing company first, then select a billing style. This is normally just driver statement. Now add the assistant's email address. It will use this email to send any outgoing mail. In the Restrictions tab, you can stop the PA from doing any jobs for specific accounts by adding the accounts here. In the Favorite Places tab, you can add other addresses for the PA. As an example, maybe they get picked up from their home address but get dropped off at work. Adding both of the addresses here will allow the operator to select either address when booking the job. The Notes tab will allow you to add any additional information. It's for your information only and won't be shown anywhere. Once all information has been entered, press OK to save. You can now add this PA to any future bookings. You should now be able to create an assistant within the admin program. If you are still having problems after watching this video, then please call or email support as appropriate to your support contract, but make sure you have checked the basics first. Thanks for watching.